Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a meme in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Then right here Canva, search to Google. After searching it, log into your Canva account. After logging in, you can see here a search bar. Just click on this and write memes and press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many templates, which is meme templates. You have to choose one meme and start customizing yourself. So choose one which is relevant to your thoughts. So I'm just showing you for the basic tutorial. Let's choose this one. If you want to customize this, click on customize this template. After this, you can see many things. You can add a background. If you don't like this, click on this. You can see here background color. Go and you can change the background color. Sorry, the cat is vanished, but you can change this. Like, if you still can change this, just change it and go elements and write a cat meme, and you will find many expressions here. Okay, so choose your expression and start writing meme, but I'm showing you the previous one. This was great expression. So your expression here, like me when I am me at morning sorry not this, waking up at morning, and know that it's a holiday. It's a holiday. So this is how you can make it. If you want to add something or you can resize it, just double click and you can see here a decreasing font size. Click on this, it will decreases. Adjust it with your picture, or you can color it by double click on this and go to text color. You can find many colors here. Just text it, color your text. Okay, if you want to change the expression, I show you already. Just go to search bar and write here anything like meme. You'll find many fun expression here. You can add it and resize it by your own with the mouse. Okay guys, so after completing your work, how you can download it, go to share button and scroll down and you will find the download button. Click on download and your work will be downloaded in this computer. So how you can share with someone, go to this portion, people with access, make it anyone with the link and write here the email address @gmail.com. just write your email address, and if you click on send, this work will be sent to that email address. So guys, this is how you can make a meme in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.